am Vanshika from Nutrition Education Center, Nagar. Today we will discuss about very interesting topic, which name is tourist service. And I will ask questions in my group participation. Are you ready, guys?
Yes.
Then I start first of intro. First is Miss Veena.
Hello everyone, my name is Veena and I'm from Nagar. My host name is Srishti. Today we have gathered here for a group discussion that is tourist guide and tourist. Thank you.
Second is Miss Avantika.
Hello everyone, I am Avantika. Today's our group discussion.
Third is Miss Shilpa.
Hello everyone, my name is Shilpa. I am basically from Gujarat. My host name is CCA. Today we are gathered here for a group discussion about tourism sector. Thank you.
Fourth is Miss Srishti.
First of all, thank you Vanshika for giving me this opportunity to introducing myself. My name is Srishti. I am basically from Nagar. Here I am pursuing C language and today is our group discussion on tourism sector.
And last candidate is Miss Angel.
Hello everyone, my name is Angel. I read in 6th class. Today is our group discussion.
Today I will ask a question to my group members. So first is Miss Veena. My question is, what kind of qualities should be there in tourist guide? How to handle the behavior of tourists?
Thank you Vanshika for giving these questions and my answer is some of major duty of the tourist guide are monitoring the safety of the guests and tourists, reciting and memorizing of tourist scripts, handling customer and interaction such as transaction and payment, and guiding direction and areas. And secondly, I will talk about how to handle the behavior of the tourists. First is the guide should be flexible and patient, and he should have the leadership quality. Thank you and have a nice day.
Miss Avantika, please give me your view on this topic.
Thank you so much, Vanshika. So my view is the customer service is directly related to tourism. The tourism industry is based on the money. Without customer, there is no income, and good customer service is required at every part of the tourism. Either it is hotel, restaurants, travel agencies, flights, etc. Regardless how to rude and demanding the customer, can it more important to keep your positive attitude and friendly behavior to our customer. Tourism is the industry in which passenger connect to us to get. Number third, if customer get bad experience, then neither he will use that supplier again. Number fifth, good service help to turn customer into ambassador of our business. The key to good service for customer. Number one, understand customer needs. Number two, make him feel important and special customer to our company. Number third, deal with your customer patiently. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice day.
Miss Shilpa, please give me your view on this topic.
Thank you Vanshika for this opportunity. Actually, being a tour guide is all about having good and perfect communication skills. It's okay to be a quiet person, but if you have to communicate with the new people on a daily basis, you just have to be able to do it well. And secondly, providing them information and explanation about the place honestly and tell them about the truth stories about the place is must. And always act tact and diplomacy while dealing with the guests. And secondly, there are some friendly tourists and irritating tourists. So just we all know that the tourist guide know how to deal with them. They better knows how to deal with them. They only needs the patience at that time. Be patient. Like if imagine when we plant a garden, we know we just want the investment of time. If you want the better results, so like the creative process which needs a nourishment of patience. So be patient. Handle your patience and listen carefully whatever they want, what they ask for, and trying to understand their mentality is must. Thank you.
Very good. Miss Srishti, please give me your view on this topic?
Thank you for the question, Manishika. First, we will have to know about what is tourist guide. Um, if a person is if a person who provides a service to the people on the tour with the salary is called as tourist guide. Now we will talk about the qualities of tourist guide. He should have leadership quality first of all, and should be responsible to hold his group members. Number second, he should have the knowledge of culture and history of that particular place that he is going to guide. And number third is enthusiasm. He should have enthusiasm. Only after that he can give the proper experience to his group members. He should have proper research on that particular place that he is going to guide. He should have and when he is delivering his lecture or commentary, his voice should be loud and clear. He should be interesting, and he should use simple words. When he will close his tour or when he will close his tour, he should know how he will close that particular tour. Now I will talk about I will talk about the behavior of tourists. There are many kind of tourists, and they have different natures. Like someone is furious, someone is exhausted, and someone who ruins everything, someone who is photogenic. At last, I will only say that these kind of tourists can be handled only with patience, low temper, and respect. A tourist guide should have low temper. Thanks.
And last candidate is Miss Angel. Please, Miss Angel, give me your view on this topic.
Thank you, Vanshika, to ask me this question. Communication is the one of the strongest qualities a guide should have. We can handle the tourist by speaking clearly, patient, and respect for the tourist. Thank you.
Loudly clapping for Angel.
I am satisfied for my lovely group members. At last, we need a good tourist guide who will help the tourism without any anger, without hesitation. We should light and friendly with his group members. That's all. Thank you.
Very good.